Does the state manage violence or manufacture it? We're investigating the GPSNY integration pattern, where population merges precedes 64% violence rates. Safety necessity or calculated management tool. Let's look at the records.
This report examines a pattern alleged in California prisons, the sequence of population integration, subsequent violence, and the use of restrictive programming. Before we analyze the impact, we need to ensure we are all speaking the same language. To do that, we will borrow the specific, quote, branding and terminology that CDCR itself uses to drive these population changes inside the walls. GP refers to the general population, and this is where you are housed if you answer no when asked if you are in fear of your safety. SNY stands for Sensitive Needs Yards, which house individuals with specific safety concerns. The current CDCR direction favors integrating these two groups. The central assertion we are tracking is a pattern where integration attempts of GP and SNY populations lead to violence, which in turn justifies a return to restrictive housing, aka lockdowns. A UCLA Law review reports an oversight tracker recorded 51 integration incidents, and that 64% involved violence, an important data point. Does the state manage violence, or does it manufacture it? Under the Turner legal standard, prison restrictions cannot be an, quote, exaggerated response. Yet, in 2022, a federal judge found that CDCR had relied on fabricated and exaggerated evidence. This history anchors a central claim that the administration uses and potentially induces violence. Expert accounts describe a reliable cycle: merge populations, wait for the 64% violence rate. While officials cite, quote, correctional safety, the CPDA labels this, quote, collective punishment. We are now seeking the records that prove whether these lockdowns are a necessity or a tool. If only one side of the story is told, then that becomes the truth. We have a right and duty to both sides. Family members voice their concern, but has CDCR responded to the 243 concerned citizens that signed the Google form? No. Is Kern Valley State Prison providing grievance forms to inmates that request for one? No. Can CDCR employed by your hard-earned tax dollars just ignore our concerns? No. The CDCR goal of population integration is a known administrative policy. How can they lock down a population that has relatively less violence than other population? By violent incident reports. But do sons, daughters, mothers, wives, and family members have to be collateral damage? Tired of CDCR program status reports with half-truths that create lockdowns? Tired of all of us being punished for who knows what or who knows who? CDCR officials need our tax money and votes, so send a message and join us. Follow us. Together, our voices will be heard.